What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we got a little mod to spice up the Z a little bit, and what we're going to be doing is replacing the Nissan badges, both the front and the back, with a new badge. Let's unwrap this. So I found these online on a little website called thezstore.com. I'll go ahead and link it in the description so that way you guys can buy it if you'd like. But basically it's just black Z. But another cool part about it is that it has this carbon background to it, which is really cool. So it's going to look like this, Z with the carbon back, and it looks super sick. For the install, obviously first step is going to be removing the OEM badges, and to do that you're going to need some sort of heat gun, or maybe heat gun's too strong. I'm going to just be using a hair dryer and just using the heat setting to just kind of let over it until the rubber and the stickiness kind of loosens up. And then after that you can either use some sort of floss or even like a screwdriver with the cloth wrapped around it so you don't scrape the paint, and just kind of pick at it until it gets loose. So yeah, that's gonna be the first step. So I'm just gonna be using this little tiny hair dryer that my dad had laying around. It should be enough to get the job done. So yeah, we're just gonna plug it in and start heating it. I'm having some trouble using a screwdriver and cloth to take it off, so I'm gonna try dental floss. We'll see if that works any better. Okay, now that we got the emblem off, the next step is going to be removing all the residue and like sticky tape that was under the emblem. And it's pretty easy to do. You could literally just use your hand or your little razor blade. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. But yeah, it should be a little easy process. So let's get to it. Okay, now that I got most of the residue off, I'm going to be using just a little rag and some alcohol to clean the surface. Since we're going to be using 3M tape to attach the new emblem, we want to make sure the surface is clean and there's no dirt or anything, so to make sure it sticks on good. Okay, we got it pretty much completely clean. There's a few little marks there, but it shouldn't be a problem. Now, what we have to do next is prepare the new emblem, and by that I mean attach the Z part to the carbon fiber piece on the back. Okay, so this is how the 3M tape is set up. So it has this small strand on the back, and that is to connect it to the carbon fiber piece. And then the back of the carbon has this entire 3M tape that you just stick directly to where the emblem is supposed to go. And I'm just going to hold it for some seconds just to make sure it sticks on good. Okay, now we're going to install the actual badge. So I'm just going to rip the 3M tape off the back. Okay, only got one shot at this. And there it is. I'm trying to get in the light. It looks super good. The carbon fiber looks so sick in the background too. The only problem is that I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but it's kind of finicky. It kind of moves around a little bit. So maybe I'll have to like reinstall it one day. The good thing is that it does come with some extra 3M tape, so you can always redo it, I guess, if you mess up. But yeah, I guess I'm happy with it. It's not like I'm going to be finicking with the emblem all the time, and it shouldn't fall off at all. Alright, now that we're done with the front side, we're going to go ahead and turn the car around and start on the back side. Hopefully it's a little easier as well. And just so you know, when you order the emblems on the Z store, there is actually a difference between the front and the rear emblems. The rear one's a little smaller. See how this one says black F? That's front. And I lost the other bag, but that one says rear. So just know that they're going to be two different items. They're not going to be the same item, so don't just go ahead and buy two quantities of the same thing, because the front one won't fit in the back and vice versa. So make sure you pay attention to that. So I got the Z attached to the carbon panel. However, when I was reading the instructions, I noticed it says for rear, need to shave off surface of the bumper. And I never really realized what they meant until I took the emblem off, and I noticed there's like these protruding things, and I guess you're gonna have to remove all of them. And the only way to do that is basically cut them off. So I don't really know what I'm going to use to cut those off. I'm going to try to find something, and I'll get back to you guys when I've done that. So the only thing I could really find that could do the job is this filer. I actually use like a knife right now just to cut most of the chunk off, but I'm going to use this to sand it down and make it as flat as it can. And I'm trying to be careful not to mess up the paint too much, but it might be inevitable. We'll see. But yeah, it's going to be pretty loud. Guys, I'm so mad right now. Since this was pretty big, it's kind of hard to be precise with it. I really messed up and I chipped. Oh my god, I'm so mad. I mean, it did the job. It flattened this part, but I was just a little too uncareful, and I scraped the bottom of this and completely tore the paint off. Damn it. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. I guess some little touch-up paint, but yeah, I'm really upset about that. I guess let's just go ahead and attach the emblem and see how it looks. Well, there it is. Looks pretty good, fit pretty good, but this is not good, and that ruined my entire install. And also my freaking tripod broke, so now I don't have a leg. It falls off really easily. It's a great day. But yeah, there's an install. Looks pretty good. Just don't do what I did. Front looks really good as well. I'm glad I had to shave anything off this side, because I probably would have ruined this side too. Nonetheless, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the install. I think it really looks pretty sick. It kind of adds like a nice mysterious element to the car, because if you don't know what it is, then you don't know what it is. It doesn't say Nissan anymore. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and please leave a like and comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.